In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Microsoft Project. A milestone is a zero-duration marker that highlights a key event or checkpoint in your schedule. Things like kickoffs, approvals, or go-live dates. They don't consume time, but they're crucial for tracking progress and communicating status. First, make sure you're working in the view that shows tasks alongside the timeline. Switch to the Gantt chart view by going to the View tab, then Task Views, and selecting Gantt chart. This is the classic project view with your task list on the left and the timeline with bars on the right. If you're already there, you're all set. Next, decide whether you want to create a brand new milestone or convert an existing task into one. In the Task Name column, click the first empty row to add a new item. If you're turning a regular task into a milestone instead, just select that existing task. Either approach works. The difference is simply whether you want a new milestone entry or you're redefining a task that's already in the plan. Type the name of your milestone in the Task Name field. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented so everyone understands what it represents at a glance. Names like Design Approved or Phase 1 Complete make it obvious what the checkpoint means. Consistent naming across your project will also help stakeholders quickly scan the plan and spot the critical markers. Now, move to the Duration field for that same row and type 0, then press Enter. Setting the duration to 0 tells Microsoft Project that this isn't a task that takes time. It's a milestone. If you're converting an existing task, changing its duration to 0 is all it takes to transform it into a milestone while keeping its place in your schedule. You'll know it worked when Microsoft Project displays a diamond symbol on the Gantt chart at the scheduled date. That diamond is your milestone. The date itself comes from the task's start and finish date, which Project calculates based on dependencies, constraints, or its position in the plan. If you added a new milestone on an empty row, it will align with the date Project assigns at that point in your schedule. If you converted an existing task, it will appear on that task's current date. And that's it. Switch to Gantt chart, choose where it goes, give it a clear name, set the duration to 0, and watch the diamond appear. Milestones provide a clean, visual way to track major moments and keep your team focused on what's next.